herbal, how to make a herbal cough syrup. Herbal cough syrup for chronic cough. Maybe you have a person that have asthma or have a chronic cough that refuse to go, any kind of cough. Go and get me honey. Get me this one we call efuru. We call it efuru in Igbo, but it's African nutmeg. This African nutmeg. I'll be like this. African nutmeg. And Yoruba call it ariwo. And Hausa people call it gujiya damiya. Gujiya damiya. That's what they call it in Hausa. Get me like 20 seed of this. 20 seed of this seed called African nutmeg. Get me a lemon fruit. Get me a ginger. Get me garlic onions. Get me red onions. But if you have a white onions, you can still add a white onions inside. Get me aloe vera. How to make it? Blend your garlic onions and blend your garlic onions with red onions. If you have white onions, you can add it, blend it together, put it aside. If you have powdered one, I'll teach you how to make use of it. If you blend this, put it aside. You extract this fruit, this lemon fruit. Extract the water as many as you want, like half cup or even more than, maybe like half glass of cup. Open this aloe vera gel. Get me like 2 or 3 spoons of aloe vera gel. Put it inside a bowl. Mix it together with the blended garlic and onions and ginger all together. Mix it together. Then this nuts, you have to grind it because it's strong. You have to grind it, or you buy a grinded one. Take 2 teaspoons of it, add it together inside the bowl where I just added the juice together with the aloe vera gel. This is natural honey. Add your honey inside it. Depending the quantity you want to make, you can add your honey like 10 ml. If the quantity you are making is not much, add 10 ml of your honey. Mix it all together. Mix it with the garlic onion that you blended. You can extract the water, extract it. But if you don't want to extract it, put everything all together. Boil it for 3 minutes. Boil it for 3 minutes. But if you extract the water, you can still put it all together and mix it. Give to the patient every day 1 full spoon. 1 full spoon morning and night. Morning and night. No matter how kind of cough the person have, that it will get rid of that cough. What I'm teaching you is what I'm sure of. I'm giving you 100% in 1 month time. Even if the person have chronic cough, you'll see that it will get rid of that cough. Thank you so much. As you are watching my video, commenting and sharing, more video is coming to you. God bless you.